Welcome back to Know Your Code channel. Today we will know about null pointer exceptions, which occurs in real time. Why do they occur and how really cause problems, and how to avoid null pointer exception in real time. A null pointer exception is a runtime exception in Java that occurs when an application attempts to use an object reference that has not been initialized, i.e., it points to null. Below is one of the scenarios where we can observe the null pointer exception. Object obj equals null. Another instance of getting into null pointer exception is trying to access elements of a null array, which obviously result into null pointer exception. How to avoid null pointer exception. Initialize objects properly. Ensure that all objects are properly initialized before they are used. Null checks. Always check if an object is null before accessing its methods or fields. Use optional, Java 8 and above. Use the optional class to handle null values more gracefully. That's it for today. Keep following Know Your Code for latest concepts and interview questions and system design concepts.